Behind the flashy advertising campaigns of multi-billion-dollar chemical corporations lies a stark truth about commercial value being absurdly inflated. When consumers pay around $25 for a premium bottle of laundry detergent, they always mistakenly believe they are buying an advanced cleaning formula. However, in reality, this industry is achieving a massive 900% profit margin based solely on basic minerals that cost less than 10 cents at wholesale. The most shocking element is the ingredient structure. Up to 90% of the volume inside every regular detergent bottle is actually just plain tap water blended with industrial food coloring. The surfactant, the core component responsible for cleaning, makes up less than 3%. Consumers are paying a large amount of money just to have companies ship heavy plastic jugs filled with water across the country. Since the 1950s, manufacturers have introduced synthetic fragrances into the products, giving them beautiful names like Mountain Spring or Ocean Breeze. Over decades, our brains have been manipulated to equate that heavy chemical scent with the concept of clean, rather than the actual washing efficiency of chemical reactions. If you find these facts useful and they help you stay sharper when shopping, please hit the like button right below the video to tell the algorithm to spread this information to more people, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next industrial secrets exposed to help you save billions of dollars every year. To understand why a cheap, homemade recipe can completely replace expensive detergents, we need to break down the chemical nature of the fabric cleaning process. Washing clothes is actually not as complicated as the laboratories of major brands intentionally portray to internalize and mythologize their products. Scientifically, the entire process of removing stains from fabric only requires the precise coordination of exactly 3 foundational elements: a surfactant, a hard water softener, and an alkaline catalyst to release the stain molecules. The first element is the surfactant, which plays a crucial role in reducing the surface tension of water, allowing water to penetrate deep into every fabric crevice, while its molecular structure grabs onto grease with one end and holds onto water with the other to pull and rinse them away with the water flow. The second element is the water softener. Most households use hard water, containing many minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals tend to wrap around dirt particles, making them stick and settle deeper into the fabric fibers, turning the laundry process into something like cleaning clothes in liquid concrete. The water softener has the task of neutralizing and breaking these mineral bonds to release the dirt. Finally, a powerful alkaline catalyst is mandatory to create a sudden spike in pH, activating a physical mechanism that lifts complex protein structures and stubborn grease off the fabric surface easily without harsh scrubbing. The perfect alternative to industrial cleaning chemicals is a homemade mixture dubbed white gold, thanks to its outstanding performance and optimal economic efficiency. The entire raw material cost to produce a batch of laundry detergent used for a whole year only consumes an initial cost of around $13. Because the amount of material in each purchased box is plenty for subsequent batches, the actual cost calculated specifically for each Mare Git lasting throughout 12 months only drops to around $6, an unimaginable figure for any family budget calculation. This recipe includes 3 natural mineral ingredients that are extremely easy to find on regular store shelves. The first ingredient is washing soda sodium carbonate, typically the yellow box of Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, priced at around $5. This is not regular baking soda, but a powerful catalyst that, when meeting water, will push the pH spiking up to a level of 11, creating an ideal alkaline environment to cut the bonds of grease. This is the core molecule that the synthetic detergent industry found every way to replace with patented chemicals because they could not register a patent for a natural mineral. The second ingredient is borax, natural borax, the 20-mule Team Borax type mined from dry lake beds, whose ultimate function is to soften water and break the bonds of hard water. The final component is Castile soap, made from natural vegetable oils, such as the soap bars from Dr. Bronner's or Kirk's, acting as the original, absolutely safe surfactant that gathers grease and rinses it away. If you are curious about how to combine them, please leave a comment below. To successfully manufacture this concentrated laundry gel, precise preparation techniques adhering to the laws of physics and chemistry play a more important role than the ingredients themselves. The procedure begins by preparing the surfactant from the Castile soap bar. You need to use a regular cheese grater in the kitchen to grate the soap bar into fine flakes, aiming for a target of obtaining about 1 full cup of soap flakes. Next, put the entire amount of grated soap into a small saucepan along with 4 cups of hot water. Place it on the stove and maintain it at a low heat. Proceed to stir steadily and slowly for about 10 minutes until all the soap flakes are completely dissolved into the water. A paramount technical note at this stage is absolutely not to let the mixture boil over, because excessively high temperatures will activate high-density fine foam, completely destroying the uniformity and consistency of the gel later on. While waiting for the soap to melt, prepare a large 5-gallon plastic bucket, equivalent to about 19 liters, and fill it with hot tap water until it reaches about halfway. Slowly pour the melted hot soap mixture into the bucket, then add exactly 1 full cup of washing soda and 1 full cup of borax. Use a long wooden spoon to stir the mixture slowly for about 2 minutes. At this point, you will clearly feel the change in weight in your hand as the chemical reactions begin to kick in. Finally, top off the bucket with cold water until it is full, snap the lid on tightly, and let it sit for 12 hours. Overnight, a physical phase change occurs, transforming the entire liquid bucket into a thick, semi-translucent gel carrying unrivaled cleaning power. This homemade laundry gel not only brings incredible economic efficiency, but also possesses outstanding properties that surpass commercial detergents, protecting both equipment and human health. For each regular washing cycle of a family of 4, you only need to use a very small amount, about half a cup of gel, scoop and drop it directly into the drum or the specialized detergent tray. This formula has the ability to dissolve instantly and thoroughly under all water temperature conditions, leaving no residue on the surface of clothes. One of the biggest technical advantages of this gel is its perfect compatibility and extension of the lifespan of modern high-efficiency HE washing machines. Commercial laundry detergents often contain many artificial foaming chemicals. This excess foam has no cleaning effect, but conversely clogs and damages the drainage sensor systems of modern washing machines. The natural white gold formula naturally features low sudsing, helping the machine run smoothly, true to the original mechanical design principles before major corporations lobbied to change industry standards. The most important benefit lies in the health aspect. By completely eliminating harmful optical brighteners, dyes, and synthetic fragrances, this is the only laundry product that is absolutely safe for the delicate skin of newborns and people with chronic eczema. Please hit the like button if this recipe helps your family, and subscribe to the channel today to watch the next video, where I will guide you through a new material science trick that replaces a household product whose price is marked up even more terribly than this.